So let me open up the terminal within IntelliJ, and in here I'm inside of Java. So this folder is the exact same thing as this one. And what I want to do is to cd into src. Now within src, what I'm going to say is Java C. So this basically is using the Java compiler, and I want to compile the class which lives under com/amigos code / and then we have main.java. So even though you don't see a .java file extension in here, but here, have a look, main.java. So this is the file that we are working with. Now the .java extension, this is what you and we write. So this is what we understand. And in order for the JVM to run our code, it needs the bytecode. So here, if I basically press enter, and you should see that now in a second, there is a main.class. Now let's invoke the JVM, i.e. we want to run this code by saying Java, and then you can say com/amigos code / and then main. And in here, you don't need the .class extension. So it just knows that you want to run your class. If I press enter, have a look. This is the exact same thing that we did before. Also, instead of saying /, you can say dot. So dot in here. So com.amigoscode.main, just like that. And this works because this is the fully qualified name for this class right here, because it lives under this package com.amigoscode, and more on packages later. So if I run this, you can see that this also works. Now this is it. It's super easy. What IntelliJ does is, so if I basically run this once more, have a look. So when we press the play button, have a look. So here, the command which IntelliJ uses is, so basically it finds the executable, so Java right here, and basically it passes some arguments. So here, -Java agent, and if I scroll all the way to the right, have a look, it says class path. So this is where to find all the classes when you run your Java code. And in here it says uses, amigos code, idea project, Java out production, and then Java, right? So this right here is our project. And then it says, right, so under this class path, find the class com.amigoscode.main. So this is what we just did manually, but IntelliJ is doing that for us. Now the compiled classes are stored inside of the out folder. Have a look, out, production, Java, com, amigos code, and then main. So this is the class right here. So this is the class file which is compiled. If you have more classes in here, everything will be compiled into this out folder, so that IntelliJ can then invoke this command to run your application. Next, let me go ahead and show you how to view the bytecode.